WhatsApp offers various media settings that allow you to customize how media files, such as photos, videos, and audio, are downloaded and displayed on your device. Please note that these instructions are based on the state of WhatsApp as of my last update in September 2021, and there may have been changes since then. Here's how you can access and adjust media settings on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Access Settings, tap on the three dots menu in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. Go to Storage and Data. Depending on the version of WhatsApp, you might find a Settings or Settings and Privacy option. Navigate to Storage and Data or a similar option. Media Auto Download Settings. In this section, you'll find options to customize media auto download settings for different types of media, photos, videos, audio, and documents, based on whether you are using mobile data, Wi-Fi, or when roaming. You'll typically have three options for each type of media and connection. A. Never. Media files will never be automatically downloaded. B. Wi-Fi. Media files will be automatically downloaded only when you're connected to Wi-Fi. C. Wi-Fi and cellular. Media files will be automatically downloaded when you're connected to both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Individual chat settings. You can also adjust media settings for individual chats. Open a chat, tap on the contacts or group's name at the top, and then go to Media Visibility. Here, you can choose whether media received in that chat should appear in your device's gallery or not. Data usage. Additionally, you might find a data usage option within the settings, where you can choose whether to lower data usage during calls and whether to show media in gallery. Remember that adjusting these settings can help you save data and storage space, but they might also affect the convenience of viewing media directly in the app. Please note that WhatsApp's interface might vary slightly based on the operating system, iOS, Android, etc., and the version of the app you're using. If you can't find these options exactly as described, explore the settings menu for similar options related to media and data usage.